Somalia, located in the Horn of Africa, has a rich and complex history that stretches back thousands of years. Here is an overview of some key periods and events. Ancient civilization, the region that is now Somalia, has been inhabited since at least the 7th millennium BC. It was part of various ancient civilizations, including the land of Punt, which was mentioned in ancient Egyptian texts. Somali maritime empires from the 9th to the 19th centuries. Several Somali city-states and kingdoms emerged as powerful maritime trading centers. Notable among these were the Sultanate of Adel, the Uyghur Empire, and the Sultanate of Mogadishu. These empires thrived through trade, connecting East Africa with the Arab world, India, and even China. Colonial era, in the late 19th century. Somalia fell under European colonial rule. The northern part, known as British Somaliland, was controlled by the British, while the rest was colonized by the Italians and called Italian Somaliland. These European powers exploited the region's resources and imposed their political and economic systems. Independence and unification. After World War II, Somalia, as a united territory, gained independence from European colonization in 1960. The newly formed Somali Republic was created by merging British Somaliland and Italian Somaliland. Aden Abdullah Osman Dar became the first president. Despite the challenges, Somalia has a diverse and vibrant culture, with rich traditions of poetry, music, and art. The country's history is a testament to the resilience and strength of its people. Somalia, like any other country, has its own unique positive aspects, and the kindness of its people should not be overlooked. Resilience and strength despite facing various challenges. The Somali people have shown incredible resilience and strength.